Hi, fellas. So, if you've sold your MindPie coin, well, brace yourselves. You might just regret it because Pi Network is now heading to around $50 per Pi. Now, before I explain why you might regret selling your Pi, let me first inform you that Pi Network has skyrocketed dramatically in the past 24 hours, rising by over 100%. That's amazing, isn't it? Now, why did I say you guys that sold your Pi will regret it? Well, that's because on February 21, 2025, reports revealed that major exchanges such as OKX and BitGet have not allowed Pi withdrawals to Pi Network wallets even 24 hours after the coin was listed. Normally, when a new coin hits the market, withdrawals open within 12 to 24 hours. This extra delay is not unusual. It's a strategy. It's all an inside job, and it's for a good reason. And here's where it gets even more interesting. While some pioneers who deposited Pi can withdraw, those who purchased it are the ones facing strict restrictions. This difference in treatment isn't a mere oversight. It's a clear signal that something big is being orchestrated behind the scenes. For those who cashed out early, this could be the moment you start to regret your decision. Now I'll prove to you why I'm so sure that Pi price will reach $50. Let's break down the numbers. Data shows that major exchanges are hoarding massive amounts of Pi. OKX holds about 147 million Pi, BitJ around 50 million, Gate.io nearly 30 million, and Pioneers almost 4 million Pi. Together, that's over 231 million Pi locked away. With more than 10 million Pi network users, this hoarding creates scarcity. And when scarcity meets high demand, you know the price is bound to surge. This isn't just market behavior, it's a calculated strategy to keep the best returns for those who hold on. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this really an inside job? Well, the answer is yes, and I'll tell you why. When a coin is listed on an exchange, liquidity is typically provided almost immediately to facilitate smooth trading. However, with Pi, the withdrawal process is being deliberately delayed for certain types of transactions. This means that while some pioneers can access their funds, those who bought Pi on the open market are effectively locked in. This creates a situation where the market is starved for available Pi, driving up the price due to sheer scarcity. Furthermore, the messaging coming out of these exchanges is equally intriguing. On social media platforms like BitJ, you'll notice that exchanges are actively promoting the benefits of depositing Pi. They're using enticing language, special offers, and even hints at airdrops to lure in more users. But then, when it comes time to withdraw, users are met with unexplained delays and restrictions. This isn't a coincidence. It's a liquidity trap designed to keep funds on the exchange, thereby inflating trading volumes and creating an appearance of robust market activity. And as more and more Pi remains locked up, the available supply for trading diminishes, which, as we know, pushes prices higher. Now I feel the need to tell you guys this info. Because I don't want you to sell your Pi for cash, I'll introduce you to a very high potential free airdrop that'll make you money so you can take your mind off selling Pi. Now, over the past few months, lots of people have been making tons of dollars through $0 airdrops, including me, so now is the right time to jump into it. So there is this football airdrop called OFC Airdrop. These people have raised over $307 million in funding. That's crazy! This is the first official football airdrop in history, so you stand a chance to win big on it, especially considering the fact that they've raised huge funding. Now here's how you run it. First of all, copy the referral code I'll drop in this video and also pin in the comments section. Then, open your MetaMask browser. Yes, if you're using a phone to do this, you'll need to use your MetaMask browser so that it can connect to your MetaMask because you'll have to sign up with your MetaMask wallet. So in case you don't have MetaMask, download it first. Next, once you open MetaMask, click on the browser segment here, then paste the referral link you copied from my YouTube here. Note that if you don't use any referral code, you won't get this 300 balls, so kindly use mine. Now, once you've signed up, follow all their socials, like connecting your Twitter and other tasks. You can check the site to do all the needful. It's very straightforward. Don't miss this. If you keep delaying, you might regret it later. Don't procrastinate. Start now. I will drop my referral code so you can join. If you have any questions, you can join my personal Telegram group. I'll put you through any issue. I'll drop the link to join the group and also the airdrop referral link in this video's description, and also pin it in the comments section. Now imagine you're at an auction with only a few items available, and everyone's desperate to bid. The limited supply means the price skyrockets. That's exactly what's happening here. The Pi Network founder appears to be orchestrating this scarcity to benefit long-term holders. For those who sold early, this is where the regret kicks in. You may have taken a profit at a modest level, but now that the price is surging and could potentially hit $50, that profit pales in comparison to the gains you could have enjoyed by simply holding on. Now, if you're a Pi holder, the message is clear. Patience is power. The founder's deliberate delay ensures that early sellers miss out on what's coming. As the market starts to feel the pinch of locked-up coins, expect the price to skyrocket. Our analysis points to a trajectory that could see Pi hitting $50. An astronomical rise that would validate holding on rather than selling at launch. Okay, now that the price of Pi has skyrocketed from 0.60 to almost $2 in a very short period, which is an explosive surge of more than 100% in just one day. With this current trajectory and deliberate delay tactics, all signs point to one thing: a potential leap to $50 soon. Yes, we should expect PiCoin to hit $50 for a start. Now, let's talk about the long-term vision for the Pi Network. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about redefining what digital currency can be. The Pi Network was built on the promise of decentralization, transparency, and giving everyday users true control over their assets. By deliberately controlling the flow of withdrawals, the network is ensuring that only those who are committed to its long-term vision benefit from its success. It's a high-stakes game of patience versus instant gratification, and right now, patience appears to be the winning strategy. Consider this. The current price surge is just the beginning, as more users realize the potential of a deflationary asset, one that becomes scarcer over time. The demand for Pi will only intensify. The market dynamics at play suggest that we are on the cusp of a major breakout. With every locked coin, every delayed withdrawal, and every strategic move by the Pi Network leadership, the narrative is clear. This is a long-term play, and early sellers might just find themselves on the losing side of history. Now, let's take a moment to address the skeptics. Some might argue that such deliberate restrictions could signal underlying problems or even potential regulatory issues. While it's true that delays in withdrawal can be concerning, it's important to look at the bigger picture. The data, the market behavior, and the deliberate messaging all point toward a strategy that's designed to maximize the value of Pi. Yes, there are risks involved in any crypto venture, but the current trends and insider insights strongly indicate that the Pi Network is gearing up for a massive rally. For those who still have their Pi, the message is clear. Hold tight. The strategic delays and market manipulations might seem frustrating in the short term, but they're paving the way for a future where the value of Pi could soar to unprecedented heights. And if you're watching this video right now, remember, you're not just a passive observer. This is a call to action, a moment to reconsider your strategy and perhaps join the ranks of those who believe in the long-term promise of the Pi Network. Before I wrap up, I want to emphasize one more thing. This is not financial advice. What I'm sharing today is an analysis of current market trends, strategic maneuvers, and insider insights that suggest a very promising future for Pi. Always do your own research, consult with trusted experts, and make decisions that align with your own financial goals. So, to sum it all up, the current market behavior, combined with these deliberate withdrawal delays and massive hoarding by major exchanges, strongly suggests that the Pi Network is on the verge of an incredible rally. For early sellers, this might be the moment you start to wonder if you've missed out on one of the biggest opportunities in crypto history. And for those who believe in the vision of a decentralized, user-empowered financial future, now is the time to hold on tight. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest in crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes patience is the key to unlocking huge gains.